What up, guys? This is Abdullah.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
What are we doing today, bro?
So, finally getting the high volume intake. Pretty excited. My car is pretty much close to stock. Just have K-Tuner Stage 2, which Joel actually installed for me, and PRL catless downpipe. So we're ready to go. I'm pretty excited. It's coming together little by little. So let's get this race car things going.
How long have you had this box for?
About 2 days now.
Yeah.
2 days. Been tempted not to open it just for you guys. It's been so hard. Sometimes I just want to take a peek and just like peel it back, you know. But
right.
We're ready to go. So
All right, let's do it.
What do we get in here? All right, just what we ordered. Awesome. A lot of bubble wrap, my favorite.
Safety. Gotta keep them nice in there.
Beautiful. Very nicely made.
Keep it clean in the packaging.
I really like the way they package stuff. I'm a big fan of that.
They do really well. That's
What's all? Oh, this is the MAF sensor? MAF?
the MAF adapter. Yep. It's
Awesome.
the billet one.
Nice packaging as well. And the big boy here.
Look at that.
And bubble wrap on the inside. Extra safety.
So it
This is
doesn't,
huge.
so it doesn't go around in there. Yeah, it's big, dude.
Awesome.
That's why it's a high volume, you know.
And then
Good.
what else is left? So we got the clamps that they provide for you. So
Gotta
everything,
get those. Tighten
everything you
in.
need is here.
Get the evap adapter
And the evap adapter and everything that comes
and the
with it.
little suckers where we bolt up to the box.
Cool. And just keep in mind, I believe they sent the wrong screws, so I believe they're sending new ones, and that's the most important part, obviously.
Dude, you got the new stickers. I don't even have these.
Joe, in case you didn't know, 15 horsepower.
You got 2 of them.
50, you can have one.
Damn, dude, those are cool.
Oh, and one more thing.
That's probably the new design or something. What else?
And a nice thank you letter from
Thank
PRL.
you, Frank. Is that what it says?
Frank, yep. Appreciate
Thank you, Frank. So unfortunately, not everything's perfect. So we had to run out and get some bolts that they mistakenly put in there.
PRL is fixing it though. They sent out an email, said they are sending the correct bolts for everybody. So just if you want to wait an extra couple days, you can, or just go get it from Lowe's. They're like 75 cents a bolt. So
Yeah, so, you know, stuff happens. There's human error, so, oh well. At least they're making it right. Okay, so what do we have here? Stock intake? high volume intake. Looks pretty fucking neat. Don't mind the dirty engine bay.
That's not my fault.
All right, bro, go ahead.
That is.
You can already hear it.
That's a lot louder.
Go ahead, give it a couple reps, bro.
I like that.
Give it some man revs, bro. Yeah. Yeah, it looks factory, dude, doesn't it?
It looks pretty flush. We look
Like,
should have put the other one
everything
without the
dirty
sticker.
is addition.
Just black this out and you won't even do that stuff.
That's true.
Oh yeah, congrats, homie. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
What do you think about the PRL high volume intake?
100% from a dig. It did feel much different for the first 30 miles, and then you definitely felt it pick up a little bit more, like once we got 35, 45. And then once you're probably third gear, and then doing a 35 roll, 45 roll, the car instantly picks up, like 100%. You feel the throttle just constantly respond to you over and over again. Before I had it like a teeny bit of, I guess you could say a little bit of a wait time, but it's definitely a lot more responsive. The sounds though, sounds are nice. It's great overall, and I feel like it's, you know, definitely gonna be awesome. So I can't wait. I feel like the more after I raced Joel, he put like 3 buses on me. Keep in mind I have stage 2 K tuner. I have the PRL catalyst downpipe, and then I also have the PRL intake now. And he put about 3-4 buses and still kept pulling. So now it just makes me want to buy more things and, you know, mod it just so I can come for him, because he's still slow. It's not a race car.